Did you get that?
Yeah. Reverse. Reverse. Straight out. Now. Full speed.
That is.
Uh-oh, got stuck. Bring it in.
Okay.
Got stuck.
Or else it's gonna get stuck over there too. Done.